feel that.
Oh my god.
Tense up, you do feel it.
Yes. Oh my god, I can feel that.
I don't know if he recommends it.
Oh, this is cool. 500-piece puzzle. Okay, so I'm here at the Discovery Queue with my family. It's chaos. So I want to show you what the heck is this. It's really kids zoned. There's so many kids right here. Way more than Disney. Oh my gosh. So let's go discover this together. Oh my god, it hurts. I can feel that.
Relax.
Oh my god.
Tense up, you do feel it.
Yes. Oh my god, I can feel that. I'm feeling this. Oh my god.
Does it hurt?
A little bit.
Where?
That.
Upper, middle, lower.
I guess it's easier for kids if
One
they're
big
lighter.
baby.
So
it's like, do you still feel the cold through each of these materials? Which one conducts heat? Let me feel this. Yeah, I mean it's cold. I'm not sure if it's refrigerated. I bet this metal you'll feel the cold.
So this is the trick or treat stations. Oh, station number 5. I see it. Oh my god, I'm way too old for this. How does that work? Trick or treat? Thank you.
Say.
The best way we can take care of our body when it comes to dancing is stretching, okay? Welcome to the Pumpkin Palooza Dance Party! Will you open the portal for us? I'm sure it has a great theme though. I'm so glad! Okay, well, if you feel like yes! Oh, shit was good!
He's been here all day, I'm sure.
And last night at members night.
Oh no.
And that went on till after 9 o'clock. And
So what are we doing? Oh, bumper card. Oh, that is really cool photo art. That is very, very cool.
Enjoy your day, sir.
Thank you.
You're next.
I'm just hitting all the candy stations.
Sorry.
It's okay. Oh, so this one you get stickers. Hello. Awesome. Oh, good. This one. Thank you. So the tattoo stickers. Oh! What happened? Wrong way? Dead end. We're gonna go scare the kids. Oh no, I lost. I was trying to scare them, I got lost. 我也想，如果是吓你们的这个，你可以在那的。Ah! I am so bumpy. Oh my god! Help! 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 check out a gift shop right here. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's like a creepy. I think Rich will love stuff like that. So what kind of merch they have here? Oh, some nice crystal. I feel like there's a lot of mostly toys. It's a little wallet. It's cute. There's different rock here. They have a chime. Oh, different measure spoon. Wow, fancy one. How much does this cost? $21.50. So there's a big dinosaur here. Oh, that is so cool.
Did you see the wall over here?
Very cool. Oh, there's a taco holder. Dinosaur taco holder. How much is this? $24.99. This is cute. Dinosaur baby. How much is that? $27.49. Wow, they are not cheap here. Pretty expensive stuff. So there's a lot of science game for kids, so you can see that. Very cool. Little tumbler and magic beans. I guess it actually growed for $11.95. So I think kids will love this. I mean, obviously, you know, little junk stuff here. Go rock. I think it's it's a chocolate. No, it's actually rock, not chocolate. And then, oh, this is cool. 500-piece puzzles. Okay, so now you see it. Very, very cool. Let's go.